back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria Brown, and I'm a YouTuber on YouTube, and I'm 20 years old. I make real life content about my life and about what I do and who I am. And I was watching some cleaning videos. I think the YouTuber was This Crazy Life or The Crazy Life. I watch a lot of cleaning marathons and stuff, and so I need to pay back my parents because I had my mom buy me stuff on Black Friday and I need to pay her back. So I'm going to be cleaning her bathroom today, and that's going to be, I think, $10 of the $70 I need to pay back. So I'm going to show you guys, sorry, my phone almost died. I wanted to show you guys me cleaning my parents' bathroom, and if you like this content, comment down below, and I will show y'all some more. Currently I have my hair in a clip, and it looks real cute. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Fit of the day, Simply Southern shirt, leggings, Samoa, I think Samoa, and clip from TJ Maxx, I think. I got my Apple Watch, Pura Vida bracelet, necklace from Amazon, my birthday. And I'm going to go get started now and do a little time-lapse and voiceover for y'all and talk y'all through what I'm doing. So here I'm just showing y'all my bathroom, or my parents' bathroom, and the toilet in the beginning of what is going on with the bathroom. So yeah. So guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the Q-tip, and I'm in my parents' bathroom, as I said in the beginning. I'm cleaning because my mom bought me Black Friday stuff, and so I am probably one of the best cleaners in my family, I'd say, because when I clean, they said to clean the countertop, and I go in very deeply, and I clean parts that nobody else would think to clean. Usually I would go in and deep clean their whole thing, but I'm just gonna do regular parts. And I did a little time lapse, but I thought I'd also do a little videoing parts. Because I know toothbrush containers can get dirty, and I want to be clean. And they literally got this stain from soap that's green, and I'm trying to scrape it off. Let me put their toothbrush back. But I don't touch the toothbrush because their toothbrush, but I just pulled it out to get it out. This is literally stuck. I probably have to get a scraper or something. It's literally not coming off. let's do my mom's side. I'm gonna get the trash can out. That way all the stuff I used just start being gross. Wipe this down again. This is like their middle part that they use things on. And one time I did actually organize my mom's makeup and stuff, and they got angry. So I'm not doing that again. If they see this video, I'm doing it for content, not for drama. But and not what it has to turn into drama. Because a lot of the people I watch on YouTube are a lot of cleaners and like deep cleaners are parents, like the children, and they have toys and things. And I don't have toys, and well, actually, I have Legos because I have an 8-year-old brother, but like I don't have kids, so I just thought it would be cool to like show a video. And if you're bored, I'm sorry, because I don't have time to do the perfect angles, and this is my phone, so. My channel's honestly, for a while, I was trying to do perfect things. But I don't have time now. So, this is what you're gonna see. Me and my hair and my parents' bathroom. Since I'm cleaning, guys, I'll tell you a little bit about my week and what I did so far. I fell to another place. That's good. Okay. Let's see another angle. It's falling over. There. That's good. So, Monday. What did I do Monday? I didn't really remember what I did. Oh man, that's dusty. Phone was about to die. It's currently 2:30. But yesterday I went to Starbucks and I did some homework, or college work basically. I'm in like a training online, but it's not college class, but it's like a training for a certification. I don't even know what that thing is right there. Piece of hair down the drain. I can just go in the trash can. It's for me to be a preschool teacher. Let me pull out her curling iron. I don't think she wants it to be on this. And the last thing I have to do is clean their toilet, so I'll show you the toilet. This is all basic stuff, like literally I use this and this. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment down below more videos you want to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!